amazing viewers! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Jessica Konijn. I am Jessica Konijn and today we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing and how you can supercharge your success without spending a dime on traffic. That's right! We are talking about traffic and how to get free traffic into your affiliate business. Affiliate offers using some powerful platforms are out here. Let's kick off with the first powerhouse, Facebook. With billions of active users, it's an incredible source of free traffic. But the best part is you can tap into this gold mine without spending a dime. It costs no money. And here is how I'm going to show you. As you see over here, this is my Facebook page. One of the keys to success here is the law of attraction marketing. Join relevant groups and pages related to your niche and engage with other members. Share value content, answer questions, and establish yourself as an authority. That's very important. Show people that you are already there where they want to go to. Also, don't forget to mention your affiliate offer where it adds value. So if there is a possibility to share your link for your offer, share it, but don't do an overkill with it. Remember, the goal is to provide value first. Build relationships by doing this. You are attracting interesting visitors who are more likely to check out your affiliate offers. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're finding this information valuable. So under this movie, you see my link for my affiliate offer. Click on the link and join my affiliate offer. So I'm going to show you also my Facebook group. This is also important. So watch with me. Here is my Facebook group. I have a Facebook group. It's called the Affiliate Marketing Wizard group. You can join this group. There's also a link under this movie to join my Facebook group. And in this group, I provide value. Like I provide sessions how to use ChatGPT for your marketing. The second one I want to provide is YouTube. Video content is king. It's a fantastic way to drive your target traffic to your affiliate offers, creating informative, engaging, and relevant videos in your niche. Can also position as an expert, share tips, tutorials, insights related to your affiliate products. But don't forget, if you make a YouTube channel, make it about a passion. My passion is iPhones. I know a lot of iPhones, so my channel is about iPhones, but it's also about making money online and affiliate marketing and how you can attract the right people and how you can drive free traffic. It's a source of everything. It's the secret sauce. Always provide a clear call to action. That's very important. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe on your channel. This engagement signals to your YouTube that your content is value, increasing its reach. And speak of subscribing, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. That's very important. You can see my channel over here and you can see I have a lot of movies. Watch it. And it's our movies about the iPhone, but there are also movies about making money online. I make a good sauce of it, so I use them both. My passion is iPhones. What is your passion? Let me know. Maybe I can help you. Book a conversation. There's also a link in the subscription of this movie where you can book a conversation with me so we can talk about your passion, your goals, your future, your dreams, everything. So please let me know what you want. We're going to the third one. Let's talk about the viral sensation TikTok. With its explosive growth, it's become a hotspot for gaining quick target traffic. TikTok thrives on short, attention-grabbing videos. Create content that resonates with your needs. Showcase your personally and value offers. Curiosity is very important. So people are curious about what you are offering. So they are clicking on your link because you get some curiosity about it. The key is authentic. And end your TikTok videos always with a teaser, directing viewers to your bio where they can find your affiliate link. And yes, you guess it. If you are enjoying these strategies, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned and updated. It's very important. Let people follow you on TikTok. Like you see, my page is over here. And you see, I have a lot of short videos and I have a lot of people watching. The last one was 746 times watched. So that's for free. 746 people who are watching my video about my offer, I have to offer them. And they are clicking on my link, subscribing to my offer or subscribing to my list. And we are going to number 4. Least, but definitely not last, we have Instagram. This platform, visual, appears, make it fantastic tool to drive your traffic to your affiliate offers. Leverage Instagram's features like stories and posts to share your value content. Use relevant hashtags to expand your reach and connect with your target audience. So, hashtag affiliate marketing, hashtag make money online, hashtag affiliate marketing for beginners, hashtag like me. So that's a hashtag you can use. There are 3 hashtags possible with every movie. So I say use them. And don't forget the power to interaction. Engage with your followers by responding on comments and direct messages. It's all about building relationships. Oh, and of course, you wouldn't want you to miss out on any future content. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. That's how I do it. In all my movies I make and all the stories I make is I say hit that subscribe button. So you don't miss anything from me and you don't miss any content that's value for you. So that's very important to say to your audience. If you want to follow me on Instagram, click on the link below in this video. I'm going to show you something on my Instagram. I have pictures and I have reels. Those are free to make and those are free to post. But you have to think one thing. If people are following you for your business, keep your personal shit out. Don't put a picture of your washing machine in there because that's not what people want. If people watch on your Instagram, they want to see your business. They want to see who you are in your business. So keep it business related. That's one of my great tips. And there you have it. 4 free platforms to get free traffic for your affiliate business using these incredible platforms. Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Remember, the key to success is providing value, building relationships, and consistency engaging with your audience. So put this strategy into action and watch the flood of target visitors transform to your affiliate offers. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up. And share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Thanks for tuning in on my YouTube channel, Jessica Konijn, and watching this movie. See you next time!